Welcome to this radio channel, and this is the solar propagation or solar activity and radio propagation report for Monday, December the 10th, 2018. We are, of course, in a new week. And what does it look like for this week? One thing for sure, we have a high-speed solar wind coming from the coronal hole that I talked about last Thursday, which is now on the right side of your screen. And we are kind of having little unsettled moments with the K index reaching 4, but it has not triggered any geomagnetic storming. So conditions are okay, although I did see that from time to time they're not as good as it could be. So the fact that it goes to unsettled has some slight effect, especially with signals that tend to propagate closer to the pole of the Earth. So right now, the planetary K index, although reaching one little 4 index now, and apparently it's at 4 right now as I am doing this video, it's mostly been 1, 2, 3, and that is in the range where propagation still continues to be okay. But it does have some slight effect for sure. I've noticed that some signals are a little weaker. But still, we should have an interesting week on this. Now, as the week will progress, the solar wind will actually basically lower in speed because the coronal hole is now passed. So in the next 48 hours, we'll be in a more quiet environment. So that should give us an interesting week of propagation. We still have a sunspot on the sun. We still have sunspot 2729 apparently still there. It doesn't show up here, so it might have dissipated not long ago. But according to, if I go to space weather, for example here, let's go to spaceweather.com. They're still showing 2729, but it's probably in a state of decay. Oh, it's almost on the edge of the sun here, as you see. So that means that will not be a factor for this week, even though it made the solar flux move up above 70 at 72. Now, expect good conditions this week, even though lower frequencies will be the case because of the lower solar activity. But expect that in general it shouldn't be too bad for the conditions this week. Let's cross our fingers that maybe another sunspot would show up or something. That would actually be very, very nice to kind of push that solar flux a little higher. Tune those radios, of course. I'll try to post some videos this week of portable receivers. It's supposed to be cold, but I'm going to try to brave the cold weather and do a few videos from outside with portable receivers, maybe analog portables. We'll see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and enjoy your radio week.